and welcome back to our second to last unboxing video. In this video, I'll be doing an unboxing of May's Teen Subscription Pack, and the theme for this month's pack is financial literacy. As always, before we get into our video, feel free to follow our social media platforms above. Our Instagram is ipsilibraryteens, as you can see right here. Our website is ipsilibrary.org/packs, and our podcast is called Tag Your It. And for this month's podcast, our group of interns came together and talked about their own personal experience with saving and spending money, as well as some tips and advice for any listeners who are interested in spending or saving money along that category, and kind of relating to a teen's perspective on doing that as well. So with that being said, we'll get into our unboxing video. So the book for this month's pack is called Jackpot, All Bets Off by Nick Stone. And a little summary about this book is that the main character, Rico Donger, spelled danger but pronounced Donger, works at a gas station where a $100 million ticket goes unclaimed. Now, in order to catch a break and maybe even get a cut of the winnings, Rico is on a quest to reunite both the ticket holder as well as the unclaimed ticket. And in order to do that, she even recruits someone named Zan Macklin, who is not only popular and wealthy, but is the only person who saw this unknown ticket holder and can perhaps help her reunite the two. So throughout both of their journeys, they actually learn about some hidden resentments, shared struggles, and perhaps even find some friendship within all of this trouble. If you're interested in learning more about the book, be sure to check out Jackpot, All Bets Off by Nick Stone in this month's subscription pack. Next up, I'll be going more over the actual items in our subscription pack. So let's get to it. So now getting more into the contents of this pack, as always, we have our teen newsletter, and I'll go ahead and read it to you guys. So it says, "Hello fellow YDL teens. This month we created a financial literacy pack aimed towards bridging the gap in financial knowledge. Financial literacy is the knowledge and application of various financial skills. These skills may include creating a budget, understanding how credit works, and saving for retirement. Financial literacy includes understanding different financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, ETFs, and creating an investment plan. Learning about finances can teach us how to pay bills, how to borrow and save money responsibly, and how and why to invest and plan for retirement. Bad financial literacy can result in accumulating unsustainable debt burdens. You can improve your financial literacy by subscribing to financial newsletters for free financial news, listening to financial podcasts, reading personal finance books, keeping a budget, saving, and investing. We all need financial literacy because it equips us with the knowledge and skill we need to manage money efficiently. Cheers, the teen interns at YDL." And then, of course, we have our table of contents, which I'll be going over, as well as a couple of QR codes. This one is about more info about the packs, and this one is a playlist for money manifestation for this one's pack. More into our newsletter, we've provided a couple of different apps you can download to help you with finance, as well as some tips on how to save, especially when you have like a job. And then on the back page, we have some info about a local teen business that we actually have their products in this pack, which I'll also go over. And then more info about like how we're able to bring these packs to you guys, and of course the QR code to our podcast that I mentioned earlier. So for the bag that holds our contents for this month, we actually have a burlap bag, and I always found this funny when I first picked up my pack because it kind of reminds me of like those cliche cartoon movies where like there's a burglar and they put it in like a burlap sack with like their bags of cash. So I found this like really funny to pick up from the library, but this is what we have to hold our contents for this month's pack. And then next up, we have this coin purse of different assortments. This one has a flamingo on it, which is really cute. Also, you don't have to use it just as a coin purse. You can like carry like money in there too. It's like very practical for like everyday use as well. Next up we have money mints. I found this cute because like the wrappers are like money shaped, and they have like different like bills on them. Like this one's a $7 bill. Hold on. I don't think that ever existed, but maybe I'm wrong, but you know, it's really cute. And then we also had Smarties, just like candies, like in but instead of like the Smarties logo, it had like money on it, but I already ate that, but it was really good. And then next up we have this dollar notepad. I'm going to be honest, when I first saw this, I thought they were just giving like fake like money like you would use when you had like those fake cash registers you would play with like as a kid, but it's actually a notebook, which is actually really practical because not only is it small so you can carry it around with you, but it's really practical to like quickly take notes as well. And it's shaped as a $100 bill. Next up we have a money bank. I personally like this because it's not just a piggy bank, because I do have tons of those, but also with this one, since it's like wooden, I can like paint or like draw over it, which is really nice. And it's also like super small, so again, it doesn't take up much space, which I like about a lot of our items in this pack now that I think about it. They're not very huge objects, so you can like quickly place them like in your room or in your bag or whatever, and they're very practical as well. Next up we also have these budget sheets if any of you guys are interested in learning more about financial literacy and actually like taking action about that. Again, following those tips not only in our teen newsletter but also in our podcast would be really helpful, especially if you're interested in using some of these, or if you're already having like an idea of what to do. Using this as a start is definitely going to be helpful as well. And then finally we have this snack from our local teen business owner, which is called, I believe their business called is like the Sheepish Chef, which is really cute. And like the ingredients are on there too if you're like allergic to anything, as well as like the info on their local business, which I think is really cool. And this is like the, I believe, brownie that we put in that pack. So you do get a lot more of the food aspect there, but you also get to learn more about some of the local businesses and how you can support them, as well as like maybe you're interested in your own local business. So yes, that is all I have. Oh no, I am so sorry. Just kidding. We of course also cannot forget our famous pins. I don't know if you can see that, but it does say smart spending. So of course we have our pins. Very important, because some of my favorite parts about these packs are the pins, because you can like collect them and like put them on anything. You can even put it on your burlap bag, like design it. I can't put it on there, but you can design it, which is really cute. So yes, now that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please follow our social media platforms, and after this video, there's only one more unboxing video left. So I'll see you guys until then, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!